Hi everyone, welcome back to Virtual Trans Math 2. We are on Unit 2, Lesson 7 today, and we're going to be talking about fractions that represent the same number, which we call equivalent fractions. So, let's look at these two pairs of fractions. We have 1/2 and we have 2/4. We're also going to compare 1/2 and 4/8. We can use these bars or Cuisenaire rods to model the fractions so that they have the same whole, and we can see their sizes. The models all have the same length. 1/2, 2/4, and 4/8 are equivalent, which means that they are equal in size. Equivalent fractions have the same magnitude. In other words, they are all the same size. We can also show this on number lines. Notice that these fractions all occupy the same location on the number line. This is important to understand. Here are some more examples of equivalent fractions. Notice the numerator and the denominator on the left side of the fraction can be multiplied by the same number to obtain the fraction on the right. For example, 1/3 can be multiplied by 2 through the numerator and through the denominator to give us 2/6. 1 times 2 gives us 2. 3 times 2 gives us 6. Both of these are equivalent because we use the same number to multiply to get to the second fraction. We can also show what's not equivalent. Let's look at 2/3 and 10/12. We know that 2 times 5 gives us 10. 3 times 4 gives us 12. Because it's not the same number that we're multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by, this means that these fractions are not equivalent. Now let's look at how multiplication can be used to find an equivalent fraction. Let's start with the fraction 3/8. When we multiply the fraction by 5, we get the equivalent fraction 15 out of 40. Remember, when you multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number, that makes an equivalent fraction. Log on to Schoology to look at your homework assignment, guys.